How do you say, I'm here, I'm there, I'm over there? Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. We are continuing our lesson on the Tagalog demonstrative pronouns or panghalip pamatlig. As you know by now, there are 6 categories of demonstrative pronouns in Tagalog, as you can see on the table. In this video, we will discuss the 4th category of Tagalog demonstrative pronouns, the locative demonstrative pronouns. In the last 2 videos, I talked about the oblique demonstrative pronouns, which are the equivalent of the English here, there, and over there. I told you that in Tagalog, we have 2 forms for each. Dito, rito, diyan, riyan, and doon, roon. In this video, I will talk about the locative demonstrative pronouns, which is used to point out the location of someone or something, whether it is here, whether it is there, or whether it's over there. In Tagalog, we have 2 forms for each again. Nandito or narito, nandiyan or nariyan, and nandoon or naroon. Wait, they sound the same. Oblique and locative pronouns sound the same. What's the difference? Let me explain. It's like this. The oblique demonstrative pronouns dito, rito, diyan, riyan, and doon, roon are used for, number 1, when pointing out where the action is taking place, like dito ako nakatira. I live here, or here is where I live. The action is the verb nakatira, to live. Number 2, when pointing out a location, like diyan sa bahay mo ay may pusa. There in your house, there is a cat. The location is sa bahay mo, in your house. Number 3, when pointing out where someone is being asked to move, like lumapit ka roon. Go close over there. That location where someone is being asked to move to is roon, over there. Number 4, when pointing out where an object is being asked to be moved, like ilagay mo ang baso rito. Put the drinking glass here. The new location where the drinking glass is being asked to be moved is rito, here. How are these different from the locative demonstrative pronouns nandito or narito, nandiyan or nariyan, and nandoon or naroon? The difference is that the locative demonstrative pronouns are used to point out where the subject is located. For example, nandito ako, narito ako, I am here. Nandiyan ka, nariyan ka, you are there. Nandoon siya, naroon siya, he or she is over there. So, locative demonstrative pronouns point to the location where the subject is firmly located, positioned, or situated. If you wish to review the oblique demonstrative pronouns to see the difference with the locative pronouns, do check out episode 139 to 140. The links are in the description box down below. Now, the obvious question is, what's the difference between narito and nandito, between nandiyan and nariyan, and between nandoon and naroon? The answer is nothing. You can use both for any situation. But what about the D version and the R version that we had in the oblique demonstrative pronouns? Will they be used depending on the word endings of the previous word? Well, the answer is no. That's because any word ending combinations have already been fused into the pronouns. C, D, consonants, R, vowels. So, there's no difference. It's just a matter of preference which one to use. In our simple sample sentences, we will use both versions. But before we do that, please make sure that you are subscribed if you're still not by simply clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'll be updated of new videos. Alright? So now, let's move on to our simple sample sentences. Nandito si Peter. Narito si Peter. Peter is here. Nandiyan si Marie. Nariyan si Marie. Marie is there. Nandoon sina June at Ed. Naroon sina June at Ed. June and Ed are over there. Ayos ba? Hindi naman mahirap, hindi ba? It's not too hard, is it? Now, let's have some more examples. Nandito ang bata. Narito ang bata. The child is here. Nandito ang anak mo. Narito ang anak mo. Your child is here. Nandiyan ang aso. Nariyan ang aso. The dog is there. Nandiyan ang aso mo. Nariyan ang aso mo. Your dog is there. Nandoon ang kotse. Naroon ang kotse. The car is over there. Nandoon ang kotse ni Peter. Naroon ang kotse ni Peter. The car of Peter is over there. Or, Peter's car is over there. Ayos ba? Nasusundan niyo ba? Are you following it? I hope so. Here are some more sample sentences. Nandito ang bisita. Narito ang bisita. The visitor is here. Nandito ang bisita niya. Narito ang bisita niya. His or her visitor is here. Nandiyan ang susi. Nariyan ang susi. The key is there. Nandiyan ang susi ng kotse. Nariyan ang susi ng kotse. The car key is there. Nandoon ang bahay. Naroon ang bahay. The house is over there. Nandoon ang bahay ni Marie. Naroon ang bahay ni Marie. The house of Marie is over there. Or, Marie's house is over there. This time, let's use the pronouns in question and answer sentences. Here goes. Nasaan si Peter? Where is Peter? Nandito si Peter. Narito si Peter. Peter is here. Nandito. Nandito si Peter. Narito. Narito si Peter. Here. Peter is here. Nasaan ang bata? Where is the child? Nandiyan ang bata. Nariyan ang bata. The child is there. Nandiyan. Nandiyan ang bata. Nariyan. Nariyan ang bata. There. The child is there. Nasaan ang bahay ni Marie? Where is the house of Marie? Nandoon ang bahay ni Marie. Naroon ang bahay ni Marie. The house of Marie is over there. Nandoon. Nandoon ang bahay ni Marie. Naroon. Naroon ang bahay ni Marie. Over there. The house of Marie is over there. The responses in these sentences are fairly straightforward. They are statements of facts of where the subjects are firmly located. Is here, is there, is over there. Cool? But what if the subject has just moved to a new location fairly recently? Then we can add the adverb na, which translates to now or already. Here are some examples. Nasaan na si Peter? Where is Peter now? Nandito. Nandito na si Peter. Narito. Narito na si Peter. Here. Peter is already here. Nasaan na ang bata? Where is the child now? Nandiyan. Nandiyan na ang bata. Nariyan. Nariyan na ang bata. There. The child is already there. Be careful though, in this instance, you can only use na with subjects that can move like people, animals and vehicles, etc. You can't use it for immovable objects like houses or buildings. Got it? Here's our last examples. Nasaan na ang kotse? Where is the car now? Nandoon. Nandoon na ang kotse. Naroon. Naroon na ang kotse. Over there. The car is already over there. That's about it for now. I hope you learned something new today, and if you did, please hit the like button because that's gonna help this channel a lot. In the next video, we will continue our discussion on the Tagalog demonstrative pronouns, and we will cover the fifth category, the existential demonstrative pronouns. I hope you catch that. I will see you next time. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.